Hi Azam. So congratulations on receiving your admit from the University of Catania for the Masters in Construction Management and Safety for this year, September 26th intake. So how do you feel?
Yeah, honestly, it's still feel like unreal. When I first started thinking about studying abroad, it was just a dream. There were many things I don't know how the admission process worked, which country would be right for me, and what are the documentation parts, and whether my profile are eligible or not. So at times the whole process felt overwhelming. All the teams always supports me throughout the process.
So that's wonderful to hear. So, what convinced you that IE study abroad was the best fit for you?
Before deciding any consultancy, I actually spoke to quite a few because I wanted to make an informed decision. Studying abroad is a major investment of time, efforts, and money. So I don't know, like, I didn't want to choose in a hurry. So what really stood out to me about like immigration expert study abroad was how organized the entire system was. Instead of one person handling everything, there were dedication teams for different stages, for different process.
Can you please give me a brief about your profile, Azam?
Okay. So after 12th, I doing my bachelor's in architecture course, which is 5-year degree course. And after that, I'm doing a job as a junior architect in Mumbai. And during my jobs, I realized many things like I need to work on myself and doing further studies. So I decided to choose doing masters in construction management, and there is also a big scope in Italy. And so I have decided to choose one consultant first, then जो मेरी हेल्प कर सके थ्रू आउट द प्रोसेस एंड एवरीथिंग, जो मुझे बता सके. मैंने बहुत रिसर्च किया एंड रिसर्च करने के बाद मुझे समझ में आए लाइक इमिग्रेशन एक्सपर्ट ही है जो मेरी अच्छे से शायद हेल्प कर सकेगा. एंड देन मैंने स्टार्ट की अपनी जर्नी.
So, what was the biggest concern before starting? जैसा आपने बताया कि you have explored multiple consultancies and all. So, क्या सबसे बड़ा concern था? Because you are from Mumbai and we are located in Delhi. So,
My biggest concern was the financial condition. My financial condition is bit low as compared to if you are doing in abroad education, you need बहुत ऐसे पैसे की ज़रूरत पड़ती है हमें जब हम बाहर के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं. बट मुझे इटली में पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में एडमिशन मिलना और एंड देन वहाँ का एफोर्डेबल लिविंग, ये सारे ऑप्शंस जो आपने मुझे एक्सप्लेन किए, इससे मुझे बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस आया एंड करेज हुआ मैं उसकी वजह से. देन आई टेक माई नेक्स्ट स्टेप टुवर्ड्स माई करियर.
we are glad we could help make the process simpler as well. Okay. So, how much did the one admit guarantee help?
It always I feel very relaxed after discussing all these things with your team and everything. मेरा एक सबसे बड़ा टेंशन खत्म होगा कि ठीक है, अब तो पब्लिक यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में एडमिशन हो ही जाएगा, मुझे ज़्यादा टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि वो सारा कॉन्फिडेंस जो आप लोग ने स्टार्टिंग में ही मुझे दिया इनिशियल फेज में, वो बहुत अच्छा था. और मैं उस फेज में अपने जॉब में था, दूसरी चीज़ें भी मेरी थी, तो मुझे इतना टेंशन लेने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ी और मेरा सारा काम हो गया.
Could you share your overall experience with IE study abroad?
Overall experience was very good. Everyone supports me whenever I want to reach. They always replying me, explaining everything. And at the start, they also support me in IELTS preparation. After that, they started my process and discussing each and every college's course, what course fits me. And they also share me the scholarship schemes, what are the scholarships, and provided me the best options, what fits for me, what's not. And until visa process, I'm very very thankful for all the team. They all support me like that.
Because generally, you are living in Mumbai, so कई बारी connection नहीं हो पाता. You are also busy, in the office or something. So coordination, team का call karna, follow-ups and everything. So like, was our team approachable and available?
Yes, the team always like reply my messages, call whenever I stuck somewhere. I raised the questions about my queries. They always answered me very well. They explained each and every process, like how things works, how not how what I need to do, what I don't. So they explained me each and every time whatever I required.
Thank you for those kind words. So, like, how does it feel to get a world-class education at such an affordable cost?
Yeah, it's very unbelievable thing. My parents didn't believe it. They also were very happy, like hearing these news about myself. Also, my friends, they also think like doing architecture in Italy, it's very costly. How can you manage these things? So I explained everything to them, like if you have a better guidance or consultancies, you everything worked very well.
Your tuition fee is just only 306 euro per year. So, how does it feel?
Yeah, it feels amazing. Like I also didn't know about these things. Like I got admitted under these tuition fees. It's very low. Like for abroad, it's public university. It really helped me, and like I manage my all financial like things to sort easily.
Like, जब आपने explain किया that you got offer letter from public university. So, what was your family's reaction on that? And fees आपकी बहुत ही minimal, it's just only 360 euros. मतलब your whole education will be done within a 1 lakh.
Yes, at the start, everyone told me it's very expensive, don't do that. My parents didn't support me at the start. They always told me, don't do that. It takes lots of money. You are stuck at some point of your life in future because of money. But when they heard about these things, they're really shocked how it's possible. If you are going to Italy, you also admitted into public university, University of Catania. You also got your choice of course, construction management and safety, and the fees is also too low. How this is possible? So I explained everything to them, how things work. Then they started trust on me and the process, and they are really happy.
So, like, how do you feel about IE study abroad fulfilling its promise of making higher education affordable? Like, now that you'll be paying minimal tuition fee for your master's program.
Yeah, the team always complete their all the promises which they told me. Like these are the things we should explain. We should give you during the process. These are the things you get during the process. So first of all, when we first जब पहला स्टार्टिंग में हमारा डिस्कशन हुआ था तो वहाँ पे सारी चीज़ें बोली गई थी जैसा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में था. हमने डिस्कस किया था, आपने बताया था कि ट्यूशन फीस इतनी में हो जाएगा, इतनी फीस में सारी चीज़ें वर्क कर जाएगी. तो जैसा जैसा बोला गया सारी चीज़ें वैसी ही हुई. कहीं पे भी ऐसा नहीं लगा कि हाँ एक्स्ट्रा फीस जा रही है या एक्स्ट्रा कुछ पैसा लग रहा है. सब कुछ बहुत ही स्मूथली हुआ है.
How important was the low-cost public university option in your decision?
It's very important because like many students like me, they are facing financial issues. So it's very important, like they also need to, अगर पढ़ना भी है और फिर हमें वो कॉस्ट भी मैनेज करना है तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. लाइक बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे फेस करते हैं फाइनेंशियल इशू की वजह से वो स्टेप नहीं ले पाते आगे. तो ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है कि अगर कोई भी चाहे तो ये कर सकता है बिना फाइनेंशियल के बारे में कोई भी चीज़ सोचे हुए.
So was there anything unique about our support that stood out to you?
Yeah, the main thing is their transparency. They are very clear in every step of the process. They explained each and everything, like the transparency they gave, the confidence they gave, like how to take steps forward. So it's a best thing for me, because without all these things, I didn't take any step. People usually scared about thinking of all these process, how it will get done. So you gave always supports to me.
Yes. So if someone is confused about studying abroad, so what would you tell them based on your experience?
Yeah, I always give immigration experts options for them. Like I usually realize students like me, we really scared of all these things like abroad studies and these kind of stuff. So I explained them, like discuss the whole process with them. They explained you very well through documentation part till visa and you fly to the Italy and your college. So किसी को भी लाइक मुझे अगर रेफरेंस देना होगा तो मैं अच्छे से सारी चीज़ें एक्सप्लेन करूँगा जो मेरे साथ हुआ है, कि प्रॉपर गाइडेंस और सारी चीज़ें के साथ कैसे सपोर्ट करती है टीम. देन आई थिंक वो बिना डरे स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं अपनी जर्नी.
Yeah, because many architecture students believe studying abroad is expensive and difficult. So, based on your experience, what would you say to especially for the architecture stream students? So, what would you say to encourage them to take the first step?
Yeah, it's a rumor to all. Like architecture is like in Mumbai, architecture is very expensive course. Like you should pay minimum 1.5 lakh per year. It's a 5-year course, and people think in abroad usually more than like takes around more than 30 lakhs, 35 lakhs, 40 lakhs. So it's a rumor spreading all of them. But in public universities, if you are getting admission into like these kind of university, it's also world top ranked university. You should get like admission भी हमारा बहुत like low cost में वो सारा education भी देते हैं with many facilities in the college and outside the college, like accommodation and everything they gave.
Would you recommend I study abroad to your friends and family?
Yes, मेरा एक्सपीरियंस जो है उसके हिसाब से तो मैं हर किसी को बोलूँगा कि मैं आई स्टडी अब्रॉड लाइक चूज़ करने, बिकॉज मुझे जो लेवल का मुझे सपोर्ट मिला है और कॉन्फिडेंस मिला है, आई थिंक हर किसी को अगर वो सपोर्ट मिले तो हर कोई लाइक जिसका भी ड्रीम है तो वो कर सकता है.
So thank you so much, Azam. Your trust and recommendation means a lot to our entire team, and like thank you for trusting us to be a part of your journey.
Thank you, ma'am.